welcome back to my channel, and once again we are here to our another video. Okay, so this time guys, I'm going to show you guys how to take your measurement to create your bra cup. Okay, so this is the one that I'm showing you now. This is a size S. Okay, so if you're wondering how to start your foundation chain, okay, to create your bra cup, okay, so this is how you get your measurement. Okay, so at the moment is I'm going to show you guys how from the top, okay, to the bottom it is 14.5. okay, so this is a size S. And now if you have a bra, okay, a bra cup, this one is just a simple padding. Okay, so how you measured your foundation chain is, this is where we determine our foundation chain. Okay, so this one here, this is our foundation chain. Okay, and then how to get this foundation chain, so I'm going to measure that from the tip, from the from here. Okay, because this is where our foundation chain will end. Okay, so I'm going to get that, and here it is, I think it's 5.5. okay, so that's 5.5. and if we're going to go here, okay, so our tip is there. Okay, we got there. Okay, so from where this part here, so you fold that, I think, you know, if you fold that and it's just there, so we measure from there, and going down is 5.5. okay, so this is for the small size. Okay, and if we're covering this into the small size, as you can see, it fits perfectly. Okay, because this is a small size. Okay, you just have to wiggle around, but that is how you get your measurement. Okay, and how you can cover it up. But you can use this as well, you can use this as well if you want, you know, if you want to put this in a medium size, that will be okay as well. But this is how you measure your bra cup. Okay, so how to get that first foundation chain, that is how you get the measurement. Okay, so if we're going to get that through yourself, if you're going to get the measurement through yourself, okay, so I will link that, I will measure that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to get that measurement with my mannequin, so so you can see how we get the measurement. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you get your measurement to get your foundation chain. Okay guys, so this is how on my mannequin, this is how you get your measurement. Okay, so from the tip or the highest part of your chest. Okay, so you measure that until to the bottom. Okay, so if you're small, and then it will be like short, so with the small one, as I said, from the top, okay, it's 5.5, so it will be here. But this one is normal size, I suppose. Kind of she's tall, so the measurement is 8 centimeter. Okay, so this is, I suppose this is for large size. Okay, so this is for the large size. And then if you're going to measure your side as well, okay, so from the middle, and you go here, if how long you want, so that will be this way. Okay, but this way you don't really like measure it. So to get your foundation chain is from the top part of or the top part of your chest. Okay, and the small size is 5.5, so 5.5 until to the bottom, so from here. And I suppose the medium will be around there, around 7, and this one is 8. Okay, so this is how you get your foundation chain. So you start from there, you measure that, and then you can then determine how big is your cup. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys. Okay guys, so from that measurement, so we're going to check. Okay, so from here until here is 5.5, which is small. Okay, so small is 5.5, and then I do have a medium size here, which is roughly around 6.5 or 7, around that area. Okay, so 6.5 or 6.75, and that is for our medium and our large. As we have on the mannequin, we get the measurement from the mannequin is 8, which is this size here. Okay, so that is how I get my measurement. So hopefully guys that helps. And yeah, thank you very much guys, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'm going to see you in the next video, and I'm going to show you guys how to make this small cup. Okay, so small, medium, and large cup. Okay, so this, we already have our measurement, okay, for our foundation chain, and then we are going to now create, using those measurement, create our bra cup. Okay, so thank you very much guys. I will see you in the next video. See you guys. Hopefully you subscribe guys. Thank you very much for who subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys. I love you all, and I appreciate your love and support, and until to the next video guys, see ya, bye.